See, there is a boat there.
Where? Oh, where?
There.
Oh, okay.
With children. A
Okay.
small one. Oh,
Ah,
it's really small.
yeah. It's a new world.
Please continue.
Hello everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hope you are doing great today. We are in between Phra Khanong and Onut, and it's Tuesday afternoon, and we are currently on the main road, and we will try to go to the Phra Khanong market. So we saw that it's not far from here, so we will now go to check it out.
We are on the Sukhumvit Road, by the way.
Yeah, Sukhumvit Road, very long road.
Very famous also.
Yeah, Sukhumvit area is really famous. It's really popular, and because it's like the new Bangkok. And hey,
What
so
is this?
I think it's from here.
Okay. So should we go inside?
Yeah, let's see if there is a secret path. Oh. Okay, we are in some kind of market already, with lot of stuff to buy. Oh, mascot, only 5 baht. Some t-shirt. Yeah, it's pretty big actually. Should we go there or
No, maybe
go still
yeah.
here? Okay, there is it's pretty big. There are not many people for now. I don't know if usually there is more people, but yeah, you can find a lot of stuff. Huh? Many stuff that we can find also on the Chatuchak weekend market.
But maybe here it's cheaper because
It's
it's
cheaper.
more local.
Yeah, maybe. May I say? Oh, some food here. Okay, where we should go?
To the right.
To the right. Oh. Ah, yeah, it's not small, huh? Okay. I didn't expect that. I thought it was like a small market.
But this one is not the Phra Khanong market yet.
Ah, but maybe actually, no?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, because
So we'll see.
yeah, we'll see. Yeah, because in the map we didn't reach the market yet, but I guess that this could be the market already because it's pretty big. Huh?
Yeah.
I don't think we have another market after.
A market near to a market.
Wow, let's continue there. So many shops. Oh, somebody is watching a movie. Action movie. There is a motorbike inside also.
just over there it's Sukhumvit Road.
Ah, yes, the main road.
Now we can go to the left.
Okay, let's go to the left. Ah, a lot of biscuit here.
Yeah, I think you are right. We already in the Phra Khanong market.
Okay. Okay, so we are at the Phra Khanong market. Good surprise. It's really a big market, huh?
Yeah. There is a river just over there,
Oh, nice.
so we can go and check out.
Some flour, tomato, garlic, 20 baht. Ah, we have another like fresh market. Vegetables.
Cucumber, cotton bud.
Some dried fish. Oh, chili.
Oh, flip pop for only 65 baht.
It's really cheap. Here we have some residents. There's a trash can. Well,
Yeah,
Let's
only
try.
we can continue
okay, let's see.
on the Google map, but I don't see anything.
Hello, cat. Oh, another cat. Sorry. It's like a whole new world.
Yeah, for sure.
When we go inside through the small path, we didn't expect that we could find something like this just behind.
Something this big actually.
This big.
Because we thought that it was a small market.
Yeah. It's a new world. I think it was not this lyrics, no? It was this lyrics? I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. You can continue. Yeah, yeah. It was good.
Ah. Some bicycle. Okay, well
I
we
like
have.
when you sing. Please continue.
No,
So here we can
It
go
was
up.
just
this
one
is
time.
it was okay. This is a river.
but we can go.
We can go up to the bridge, but maybe just
Okay, let's see. Oh, I will not go through the bridge, but
Yeah.
just see the canal.
okay.
Ah, it's beautiful. No? Well, it's beautiful. Modern condo there. Some people doing I don't know what. sure I can go see the bridge. Let's go up. Let's see. Maybe we have a better point of view. I think it's sugar cane.
Or bamboo.
Or bamboo, yeah. Hey, what is it? It's a station?
Boat, yeah, maybe there's a boat taxi here.
Interesting. Ah yes, so I think it's a station. But how she came here? Ah, there is a path there. Okay. Okay, so we guess there is a boat, like a shuttle boat, like a bus, but on the river. And yeah, so you can take the boat and just go anywhere you want on the canal.
It's convenient for us. We used to take the boat on the Chao Phraya River, going to Chinatown or Wat Arun. You don't have traffic on the canal.
Yeah. Yes, yes, for sure. It's oh, there is many Songtao there.
We were there.
Ah, we were there?
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this little walk in this Phra Khanong market. It was really nice to explore with us, and we hope you like it. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We also hope that you see something new with us, and yeah, see you in the next one. Oh, see,
Oh.
there is a boat there.
Where? Oh, where?
There.
Oh, okay.
With children. A
Okay.
small one. Oh,
Ah.
it's really small.